this idea of following Jesus long after you graduate youth group, it really had to do with this idea of intergenerational integration. And in the mid-2000s, all this research started coming out. I'll show you a few books. Books like Soul Searching from Christian Smith at Notre Dame, Kenda Chrissy Dean from Princeton Seminary, and Cara Powell from Fuller Seminary, about kids leaving faith after youth group. And on the converse, why they remain in faith after they leave youth group. And again, one of the biggest factors in all these research was intergenerational integration. Kids being connected with the body of Christ. And if they were connected intergenerationally during youth group, it was a big factor in them remaining in faith after they graduated youth group. And so I studied this for my PhD in the context of innovation, because I really thought trying to move from youth ministry to intergenerational ministry was like a radical innovation for the church. And if you forget everything today, which you will, I just want you to remember two things. This diagram, the one-eared Mickey Mouse. This diagram was first shown back in 1989. Some of you weren't even born. But some wise youth ministry professor came up with this diagram named Cummings called the one-eared Mickey Mouse diagram, prophesizing, I know we're not charismatic here, most of us, but saying that if youth ministry continues on its trend, it'll become a separate entity in the youth group. And in that way, I would like to say that, I say this because I was a youth pastor for many years. I think many of us have done youth ministry too well. We're awesome. We've done youth ministry too well, and some of our youth ministry has turned into the one-eared Mickey Mouse. But unfortunately, this one-eared Mickey Mouse, this lack of integration into the body of the church, is one of the biggest factors why kids leave faith after youth group.